We'll guide you through how to resolve ChatGPT issues today. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go ahead and clear your browser's cache. You can do this by going to your browser's settings, finding the privacy or history section, and selecting the option to clear browsing data. It's a good idea to clear cookies and cached images and files as well. Once you've done that, restart your browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. If you're still having trouble, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. You can also try using a different browser to see if the issue persists. Another common fix is to disable any browser extensions that might be interfering with ChatGPT, especially ad blockers or security extensions. To do this, go to your browser's extensions or add-ons section and temporarily disable them. Refresh the ChatGPT page and see if that solves the problem. If everything else fails, it might be an issue on ChatGPT's end. Check their official Twitter or status page for any ongoing outages or maintenance notices. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.